So here we are on Commodore. You can see the water is all over Commodore. Just totally flooding Commodore. There we go. And this is pretty low level now. Of course, this is quite a bit later. It's not at its peak like it was a few minutes ago. Here is the drain in our neighbor's yard, which is totally overwhelmed. That goes into the 40-inch culvert, but that is not able to keep up with capacity. That blew through his door there. And then let's see where this takes us. So you can see by the leaves that it almost crossed oh yeah, you can see all there. It's all flooded on the other side. It looks like it crossed Commodore at its peak. Here you can see leaves out in the middle. And then where does it all go? So it's now crossing the roads. It's on both sides here. So one drain here. Well, these drains are overwhelmed. Okay. So there are those drains. This, mind you, is low volume, so those drains are now overwhelmed. The rain has stopped pretty much. My car has to stop or slow down because of the flooding. So these folks likely are affected. You can see their little mini curb is just holding up, but in the middle of the flood you can see it all went down and affected their house, 3718 Commodore. They get affected by the flooding. $37.24. They probably got hit a bit too. Yeah, you can see here where the excess water goes straight down into their front door. How convenient. Okay. And then here's where it ends up. These at the moment are trying to keep up. They're pretty overwhelmed, but they seem to be keeping up. And I guess if the flooding gets really bad, it's going to end up here at 37.30. Don't see a ton of evidence that it peaked over their curb. You can tell they've done work. It's ironic. You can tell they've done work to try to build up their curb because they've obviously had issues in the past. And the irony is this is not just their normal street water. This is water coming all the way from Discovery Park. I'm gonna get splashed right now. Oh, there you go. When the car comes, it splashes over. So this is not at the peak. This is ways after. But 37.30, they kind of have the worst risk. Actually, these guys have it coming straight in right now, into their garage. That's not good. 37.36, yeah. So, yeah, his houses on the north side of Commodore, all directly affected by the flooding. that starts up in Discovery Park. Thank you for joining me on my tour this morning. It's a pleasure to have you.